The hidden truth behind successful Forex traders' wealth. Ever wonder how those top Forex traders really make their fortunes? It's not just about flashy cars and endless vacations. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the hidden truths behind their success. You might think it's all about a secret strategy or some magical indicator, but the reality is far more different and honestly, a lot more achievable than you might think. First, let's bust a major myth. Successful traders don't win every single trade. Not even close. They lose, and sometimes they lose a lot. The real secret isn't avoiding losses, it's managing them. This is where risk management becomes their superpower. They follow a strict rule. Never risk more than a tiny percentage of their capital on a single trade, usually just 1 or 2%. Think about that. If they have a $10,000 account, they're only risking $100 or $200 per trade. This discipline ensures that a string of losses won't wipe them out. It allows them to stay in the game long enough for their winning strategy to play out. So, the first truth is that they are masters of defense, not just offense. The second hidden truth is their obsession with psychology. Trading is a mental battle, more than anything else. Fear and greed are the two biggest enemies of any trader. Fear makes you close winning trades too early, and greed makes you hold on to losing trades for too long, hoping they'll turn around. Successful traders have developed an iron will. They've trained themselves to be emotionally detached from their trades. They see wins and losses as just data points. Part of the business, they have a solid trading plan, and they stick to it religiously, no matter how they're feeling. They don't chase quick profits or try to make back losses in a panic. This emotional stability is what separates the pros from the amateurs. Next up, let's talk about their work ethic. The idea that Forex trading is easy money is a complete fantasy. The top traders treat it like a serious business. They spend countless hours backtesting strategies, analyzing charts, and studying market news. They keep detailed trading journals, reviewing every single trade to see what they did right and what they did wrong. It's a constant process of learning and refinement. They don't just show up, click a few buttons, and get rich. They're dedicated students of the market, always adapting and evolving. Their success is built on a foundation of hard work and relentless self-improvement, something often hidden behind the glamorous lifestyle portrayed online. Another crucial point is their understanding of probability. They don't look at trading as a series of individual bets. Instead, they see it as a game of statistics, played out over hundreds or thousands of trades. A successful strategy doesn't need to be right all the time. A strategy that's right just 55 or 60% of the time can be incredibly profitable if the average wins are bigger than the average losses. This is called having a positive expectancy. They know their strategy's statistical edge, and they have the patience to let that edge work in their favor over the long term. They're not gamblers looking for a single jackpot. They're more like a casino, knowing the odds are stacked in their favor over time. Finally, the most underrated secret is mentorship and community. Very few successful traders made it entirely on their own. Most have learned from others who were already successful. They seek out mentors, join trading communities, and surround themselves with like-minded people. They seek out mentors, join trading communities, and surround themselves with like-minded people. This network provides support, accountability, and a constant flow of new ideas. It helps them stay grounded, avoid common pitfalls, and accelerate their learning curve. It's a reminder that you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Learning from the experiences and mistakes of others is a powerful shortcut to success. So, the hidden truth is that wealth from Forex trading isn't about luck or a secret formula. It's built on strict risk management, emotional discipline, tireless hard work, a deep understanding of probability, and the power of community. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of trading. See you in the next video.